How to turn on your videos download. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your video download on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on profile, then tap on those three buttons up there, tap on setting and privacy, then tap on the second choice, which is privacy. Then you have safety, the first option, download. Now you can turn videos download on and you can turn it off by tap again. And this is how you get your videos can download. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.